Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum class and parents. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing well. Beta, as you know that you all are promoted in an educational group, and I am your new class teacher, and my name is Dareen Fatma. Okay beta, be attentive and tell me when your ma'am is saying something. You have to listen your ma'am very carefully and attentively. Okay beta? And if you are not listening to your ma'am, then you cannot learn about those things which your ma'am is going to teach you. Okay class, now tell me, what are these? These are clouds. These are clouds. And beta, clouds are in the sky. Can we made it? Yes Muhammad, tell me, can we made it? Excellent. No beta, we cannot made it. These are made by Allah Almighty. And they are natural? Tell me beta, they are natural? Yes, they are natural because they are made by Allah Almighty. Okay beta, now tell me, this is empty or full? Yes Abdullah beta, you tell me, this is empty or full? Excellent beta, this is empty. This glass is empty. Did you see anything in this glass? Yes Abdullah, did you see? No. Excellent, because this glass is empty. Okay beta, and this one glass, this is empty or full? Yes Muhammad, beta, tell me, this is empty or full? Excellent, this glass is full of water. This glass is full of water. Okay beta, this one is empty and this one is full. Now tell me beta, which shape is this? This is diamond shape. Again beta, repeat with me. This is diamond shape. Which shape? Diamond. Which shape is this beta? This is. Today we are going to start our writing from 4141 to 5050. Again beta, repeat with me. 4141 to 5050. Oh, and beta, before going to start our handwriting, one thing you must keep in your mind, that beta, the lead of your pencils should be sharp and pointed. Again beta, I repeat that the lead of your pencils should be sharp and pointed. Okay? And beta, if you write something wrong, then ask your mother that mama please erase it. Okay? Now beta, start. This is your dot. This is your dot. And we put our pencils on the dot. Okay beta, put your pencil on the dot. First we make slant line like this. Then go straight and beta, make straight one. Beta, we don't touch the side line. We only touch upper line and lower line. Okay class? Is this 4 is right? No, this 4 is wrong. Okay beta, then put your pencil on the dot and make straight one. It's 4141. 4141. Okay beta, what comes after 4141? Yes Muhammad? Excellent. 4242. Again beta, put your pencil on the dot. First we make slant line like this. Then beta, we go straight and make straight one. And now 2. Put your pencil on the dot. First we make head, touch the upper line, make slant line and go straight. Okay class? This way is right. Can we touch the side line? No beta, this way is wrong. We cannot touch the side lines. We only touch upper line and lower line. Next class, what comes after? 4242, 4343. Again, put your pencil on the dot. First we make slant line like this, then go straight, make straight one. Now how to write 3? Beta, put your pencil on the dot, go straight, then we make slant line like this, and beta then we make a round belly. Beta, this way is wrong. Put your pencil on the dot and make a big belly. Beta, this way is wrong. Okay, understand class? Next beta, what comes after 4 3 43? 4 4 44. 4 4 44. Again, put your pencil on the dot. Make slant line like this. Then beta go straight and make straight one. Again, make slant line like this. Go straight, make straight one. 4 4 44. Next beta, 4 5 45. Put your pencil on the dot, make slant line, go straight, make straight one. And how to write 5? Put your pencil on the dot. First we make slant line like this, then we make a round belly, and then we make head. Beta, this way is wrong then. Straight one and then make round belly and this. Beta, this 5 is wrong. Okay class. Next, what comes after 4 5 45? 4 6 46. Again, make slant line, go straight, make straight one, and put your pencil on the dot. First we make slant, then we make round. Okay beta. Again, beta, put your pencil on the dot. First we make slant line and then round tummy like this. Okay, beta, this way is wrong. This one is wrong. Okay class. Now you tell me, Abdullah beta, stand up. Tell me what comes after 4 6 46. Excellent. 4 7 47. Beta, put your pencil on the dot. Where is dot? This is dot. Yes. Make slant line. Go straight. Make straight one. And how to write 7? Put your pencil on the dot. Go straight and make slant line. Beta, these two lines should be equal. Okay. This way is wrong. This way is wrong because beta we only touch upper line and lower line. We cannot touch the side lines. Understand class? Okay beta, next 4 8 48. Again, put your pencil on the dot, make slant line, go straight, make straight one. And beta, how to write 8? Put your pencil on the dot. First of all beta, we make S like this and then like this. Okay beta. And beta, this way is wrong. This way is wrong. Again class, this is your dot. We make S like this. This is 8. Okay. And this way is wrong. This way is right. Okay. Class, next what comes after 4 8 48? 4 9 49. Again beta, put your pencil on the dot, make slant line, go straight, make straight one, and 9 make seeker, go up, come down. And beta, this way is wrong and this way is also wrong. Okay class, now tell me after 9 family will change. After 9 family will change. What comes after 4 9 49? 5 0 50. Again, put your pencil on the dot, make slant line, make round belly and make a head. And beta, 0. Make a oval shape. Oval shape. Okay class. Make a oval shape like this. Okay. Beta, I only write one time. But beta, you have to write 3 times more. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Understand class? Okay beta, your homework is same. You have to write from 4 1 41 250 50. And how many times you have to write this counting? 4 times beta on your rough copies with superb handwriting under the guidance of your parents. Okay class, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz beta.